Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you through how to enter self-employment income in TurboTax step by step without confusion. First, sign in and open your current tax return. From the home screen, go to the Wages and Income section and find the category for self-employment or business income. Select Add Income, then choose the option for freelance, contractor, or business earnings. Now, you'll be asked to create a business profile. So enter your business name if you have one, or simply use your own name. Next, input your total income from clients, including any amounts reported on 1099 forms and any cash or direct payments you received. Be honest and accurate here. After that, TurboTax will guide you through adding expenses like supplies, mileage, or home office costs, which can help reduce your taxes. Once everything is entered, review your details carefully. Answer any follow-up questions, and your self-employment income will be successfully added to your return. Subscribe to the channel for more videos.